Hello my good people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Natural Alton here. Hope you're doing good, hope you're fine, and please welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you on how to do Dutch braids. Dutch braids are simple. They're just like doing cornrows. If you know how to do cornrows, doing Dutch braid is not that difficult. It's the same process. Okay, you start by sectioning a small size from the start, then you split them into three. You start by doing a box braid, then you start adding the hair like that. You add the right one to the center, left to the center, continue like that. You add, then you bring it to the center like that. For you to have a perfect Dutch braid, you have to do practice. I recommend you do this practice, let's say 8 times, 4 times, 10 times, depending on how fast you are. And you're gonna get the right braid. Just continue with the same process till the end. Welcome guys, and in case you are new here, kindly do subscribe. It will help me to have more ideas and to upload more informative videos. Okay, let me finish this, then I'll show you the end.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. And you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and